202, 203. Oh, didn't see that. Let's talk about Ramp Up Weekend. So, why should you go to Ramp Up Weekend? Well, I think you should go because it's like a workout for your entrepreneurial muscles. And after the weekend, you'll really feel like you've got that pump.
If I could give a single piece of advice to a participant, I would definitely say remember that your network is your most valuable asset. There are incredible subject matter experts, mentors, judges, and volunteers that are around, not to mention the other participants that are participating. Make sure you introduce yourself, ask them questions, and really start to immerse yourself in the community that is created by Ramp Up Weekend.
What's the best part of the Ramp Up Weekend? It's the food. You have great fuel all weekend to power yourself through.
The hardest part about the weekend is trying to find time to sleep. You're so excited to work on your business idea and get ready for that final pitch that sometimes it can be hard to fit it in, but it's necessary, people. Sleep is amazing. Make sure you get it.
What Ramp Up Weekend has done for the startup community is creating an environment where people just love to share and want to help. Whether you have an idea or just need some advice on something, there are people there that are just willing to help in any way possible.
Do you have what it takes
to get to the top